If shoulder pain wakes you up at night, especially when you lie on your side, you can't stay on that shoulder for more than a few minutes, you wake up 2 to 3 times a night flipping sides, and every morning your shoulder feels stiff and achy, but you still want to sleep like a normal human, this video is for you. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to walk you through a simple side sleeper routine you can do right next to your bed to calm things down so you can finally sleep through the night. I'm Dr. Joey Seyforth, online shoulder rehab specialist with Comeback Performance. We work 100% online with one-on-one coaching and rehab, helping active adults, especially over 40, fix stubborn shoulder pain so they can keep lifting, working, and sleeping without living in clinics or signing up for surgery. One of my clients said it best.
It's nice because I didn't have aching, if I was laying on my side, watching TV or sleeping, I didn't have any aching pain that would wake me up. It was fantastic. It really changed my life.
That's the goal for you with this routine. When you lie on your side, your neck and first rib can compress the nerve bundle. The shoulder blade and upper back decide how your shoulder sits, and your shoulder joint gets loaded in one spot for hours. If your big five system, your neck, upper back, shoulder blade, shoulder joint, and nerves are stiff or irritated, that side lying position just keeps poking the same angry spot over and over. This routine hits the neck and first rib nerves, upper back and rib cage, shoulder blade and joint position, gentle close chain loading, and a quick reset for your neck, all beside your bed. Make sure to use the simple pain traffic light while we go. Green means it feels good, mild stretch or relief, keep going. Yellow is a 1 to a 3 out of 10, a bit uncomfortable but settles quickly, this is generally okay. And red is a 5, 6 or higher out of 10, sharp, catching, worse after, shorten the range of motion or skip that move tonight. We want you sleeping better after this, not flaring it up. Grab a belt or dog leash, some floor and bed space, and a wall, and let's get going. First, we'll unload the first rib and nerve bundle that gets pinned when you lie on that side. Take a belt or dog leash and loop it over the top of your painful side shoulder, across the upper trap. Cross it in front and grab it with both hands, pulling down. Make sure the pressure is comfortable on top of that shoulder. Keeping that pressure, slowly tilt your neck down and in towards that armpit, then up and away at a diagonal. Move in and out of that arc position. Let's do 15 slow reps together. Cues, feel pressure on top of the shoulder and a mild stretch along the side of your neck and upper shoulder. Stay out of the red, no aggressive burning or big zaps down the arm. I know you're struggling with shoulder pain and you obviously want to fix it, so text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 and I'll send you my free shoulder pain fix demo. Now back to the show. One of my clients described this drill perfectly.
Where I used a dog strap over the top of my shoulder, and I was like, that's crazy how that could happen just that quick, So
the bell rib mobs, man, you free up that median nerve tension underneath that rib. So when you're putting like that pressure on that side, it just gives it some more relief and some breathing room. That's exactly what we're doing here right before bed. Next, we'll open up your upper back and rib cage so your shoulder doesn't have to twist and jam all night. Lie on your side on the bed or a mat. Knees bent up towards your chest, arms straight out in front of you with palms together. Keep your knees stacked. Slowly open the top arm and back, rotating your chest toward the ceiling like you're opening a book. Eyes follow your hand. Go as far as comfortable, pause briefly, then come back. We'll do about 30 seconds on this side, then roll over and do 30 seconds on the other. Let the motion come from your ribs and upper back, not forcing your shoulder into a painful pinch. Stop before red. We want a gentle opening, not cranking on the joint before sleeping. Now we'll free up your lats in front of your shoulder using the edge of your bed. Kneel in front of it. Place your elbows on the edge of the bed, hands together or holding a small dowel. Slowly sit your hips back and let your chest drop towards the floor. Stop before any sharp pain. You should feel a stretch across the front of your shoulders and into the lats. Do 10 slow reps, holding for a few seconds at the bottom of each. Think chest dropping between the arms, not forcing your shoulder into a pinch. This helps your shoulder sit in a better position when you lie on it instead of being dragged forward and jammed. Next, we'll get your shoulder blade and joint moving together so they're not stuck all night. Stand facing the wall with one foot slightly in front. Place your forearms and hands on the wall at about shoulder height. Gently press into the wall and slowly slide your arms upward as you let your chest move slightly towards the wall. Only go as high as you can without a sharp pinch or hard block, then slide back down. Do about 10 to 15 smooth reps. Let your shoulder blades slide and rotate up and down your rib cage. Keep ribs gently tucked, don't arch your low back to fake the range. We're teaching your shoulders to move cleanly so side lying isn't grinding that one spot all night. Last move is a quick neck reset to calm some of the tension that feeds into night pain. Sit or stand tall. Gently nod your chin straight back like you're making a double chin. Don't jam it. From that tucked position, slowly look up towards the ceiling as far as comfortable. Then return to neutral and repeat. Tuck, then extend. Go for about 10 slow reps. Move smoothly, no jerking. This helps your neck move through a comfortable range so it's not stuck in one angry position all night. Remember my client said earlier, he didn't have as much aching. He was able to lay on his shoulder for longer periods. That's what we're aiming for with routines like this. Not perfection overnight, but fewer wake-ups, less ache, and more trust in your shoulder. You just did your 5-minute side sleeper routine. Belt rib moves to unload the first rib and nerve bundle. Sideline open book to free up the upper back and ribs. Bench opener on the bed to open up the lats in front of the shoulder, wall slides to clean up the scap and joint motion, and shin tucks and extensions to reset neck movement. Do this routine right before bed, and especially before lying on that side that usually hurts. If you wake up in the middle of the night, do 1 set of the belt rib mopes. It's going to be the best bang for your buck time-wise, and it's going to decrease that pain before going back to sleep. What we're looking for here is fewer night wakings, easier time lying on that shoulder, and less stiffness first thing in the morning. Now, night shoulder pain almost never comes from just one type muscle. Your neck, thoracic spine, shoulder blade, shoulder joint, and nerves, the big 5, all decide how your shoulder feels when you lie on your side. If a stiff neck, locked up upper back, lazy scap, or irritated nerve bundle never get addressed, you can stretch the sore spot forever and still wake up aching. If you want to figure out which parts of your Big 5 are actually driving in night pain, grab my free Big 5 shoulder fix training using the link in the description. It walks you through simple tests and exercises for each of the 5 areas so you know exactly where to focus next. And if you want to go deeper and figure out which parts of your Big 5 are actually driving your pain, watch the shoulder pain checklist 5 at-home tests to test the real cause. It's linked on the screen and in the description. That video will give you a full shoulder checklist so you know exactly where to focus next. And if you're tired of waking up every night with shoulder pain and want a plan built around your sleep positions, your work, and your training, then text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on how to permanently fix your shoulder pain. Our mission at Comeback Performance is to help over 1 million people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain, avoid unnecessary imaging, injections, and surgeries, and get their lives back. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out daily content based on your guys' questions on shoulder-related topics regarding pain and rehab. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.